Crack the code. Mastering tense changes in reported speech. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our English language learning series. Today, we'll be focusing on a key component of intermediate grammar, reported speech, particularly the interesting and sometimes tricky aspect of tense changes in time and place expressions. Our specific focus in this video will be on identifying and correcting errors in tense changes. So, buckle up and let's start our journey to become masters of reported speech. Before diving into identifying errors, let's quickly recap the rules of tense changes in reported speech. Remember, when we use reported speech, the tenses typically shift back. For example, present tense changes to past tense. I am becomes I was, and I will go becomes I would go in reported speech. However, keep in mind that this backshift doesn't happen when the information is still true or relevant. So, I am tired can remain I am tired in reported speech, particularly if the person is still tired. Now let's focus on how time and place expressions change in reported speech. It's important to note that these expressions often adjust to the perspective of the person reporting the speech. So, here may become there, this can become that, today might turn into that day, and so on. A sentence like, I will meet you here tomorrow, can become, he said he would meet you there the next day, in reported speech. Being aware of how these tense changes work is the first step to identifying errors. So, whenever you see reported speech, pay attention to the reporting verb's tense. If it's in the past tense, check if the reported speech also shifted back. Are time and place expressions adjusted appropriately? If not, there might be an error. Once we've identified an error, the next step is correcting it. Ensure the tense of the reported speech aligns with the reporting verb's tense. Also, adjust time and place expressions according to the reporter's perspective. For instance, if someone says, she said, I am here today, and it's reported the next day, you would correct it to, she said, I was there that day. Now, let's try some practical exercises. Try to identify and correct errors in the following sentences. 1. He said, I will come here tomorrow. 2. She told me, I am at the store now. 3. I am studying for the exam next week, he explained. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there we have it. Hopefully, this video has given you a clear understanding of how to identify and correct errors in tense changes in reported speech. Don't forget that mastery comes with practice. So keep working on your exercises and soon enough, you'll be a pro at reported speech. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, keep learning and keep growing.